Welcome to another video from Yvonne Crochet channel, and I'm so excited to have you join me today for a special Valentine's Day edition. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. It's time to do some heartful handmade creations. Here is a fantastic collection of the free Valentine's Day crochet patterns as a gift. Number 1 is a micro me kitten. The kitten is so adorable, chumpy feeling. Who doesn't like this little furball? Number 2, bear. The bear is so adorable, holding the heart, using chunky blanket yarn to make it. Number 3, paired kittens. There are two popular micro-me's with beautiful love stories. It's a great gift and also a decoration at home. Number 4, heart-shaped pillow. It's a super cute heart-shaped pillow for the one you love. Number 5, strawberry heart. Simple crochet pattern for decorative strawberry hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day gift. You can make one in less than an hour using just a little bit of yarn. Number 6, heart shoulder bag. This bag used for different type of granny style constructions to create a small bag. Number 7, heart pillow. This fun design is cute pillow with a small note in the pocket. Number 8, heart envelope gift card holder. It's a perfect size for a Valentine's Day gift. The pattern is designed to fit a standard-sized gift card, money, a Valentine's, small candy, or jewelry. It's a perfect sort for gift holders for your true love, best friends, family member, and yourself. This one has a video tutorial included. Number 9, heart pillow. The crochet color work pillow patterns use basic crochet stitch, such as chain, slip stitches, and single crochet. Number 10, planter pattern. The posh planter works up quickly using super bulky yarn. The crochet planter patterns is great project to try if you are ready to learn a few new stitches. This one included video tutorials. Number 11, bunky heart frame. It's so lovely and easy to make one. Will be a great gift for your lover. I will make this one this year later. Number 12, XOXO garland. It's super simple and added festival fairs to your space. Number 13, heart earrings. This pattern is so cute and perfect for anyone, whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter. This one also has the video tutorial included. Number 14, heart-shaped storage baskets. You can have a very cute crochet heart basket to brighten up your space. This one also has the video included. Number 15, pizza heart. If you love pizza, you can use this heart-shaped pizza appliance for your holidays, birthday, and other occasion. Number 16, heart pillow. It's a giant pink pillow in the shape of the heart with a pom-pom edging. It would add a beautiful handcrafted touch to your chair, bench, bed, or couch. Number 17, a micro-me's heart. Crochet these little agrami hearts yourself. They are suitable as a gift on Valentine's Day or if you wish to share a special message. The heart can be put on a wooden stick as well. Number 18, heart crocheted coffee sleeve. Pattern is quick, easy, and cute. It would make an excellent co-worker gift especially for Valentine's Day. Number 19. Heart-filled cookie. These cookies are not only easy to make, but also very fun and colorful, adding a touch of the charm to your Valentine's Day celebrations. Number 20. Heart coaster and hot pad set. Give this cute set to your friends, teacher, or neighbors. Makes the perfect gift. The plus side is they're very fast and easy to make, so you can make several sets in just a few hours. Number 21. Drawstring bag with heart. It's a quick to make and quite cute. Number 22. Heart-shaped cushion. The heart-shaped cushion is a lovely decoration for any armchair or sofa, and a good relaxing accessory for the evening chill. This one also has the video tutorial included. Number 23. Crochet the woman's heart top. The pattern is easy to make and can be done by a beginner, and it also has the video tutorial included. Number 24. Heart blanket. It's a beautiful Tunisian crochet blanket that is a pleasure to make and a pleasure to use as a gift. It features as a heart color work patterns that alternated with the square of the plant color, creating all over the diagnosed heart patterns. This one also has the video tutorial included. Number 25. Heart headband. The design headband you can wear out and still feel the festival all over the year. Number 26. Stylish crochet heart tote bag. A charming tote bag crafted from the granny square. It's a perfect blend of creative and functionality. This one also has a video tutorial included. Number 27. XOXO throne. The throne is like a warm hug. Using the corner-to-corner method, create a warm and durable throne blanket that you and your loved ones will use it for years to come. The simple XO repeat creation and eye-catching design. Number 28. Red Heart Warm My Heart Throne. This heart-shaped throne is perfect for giving to someone you love. 29. Slippers. These pretty and cozy heart slippers are crocheted using post stitches that create a thick and warm night look texture. They're quick and easy workup. You can crochet them up in a couple hours. Number 30. Wall hanging. The beginner-friendly crochet wall hanging, which is featured a cute Valentine's heart. You'll just love this easy crochet patterns, and also have the video tutorial included. Number 31. Amigurumi lips. This is super easy to make for decoration, or you can make it to a necklace. Number 32. Love banner. The banner is super easy to make. Each flag has a letter or heart design, and then they're drawn to spell out LOVE by the hearts. Number 33. Mug rug. The flat tapestry crochet is when we work in a row instead of the round. Number 34. Valentine's kitten pillow. It means to look like the long stretchy cats when you reach down to pick them up under their arm. They're so cute. Number 35. Granny Square Vest. The 70s Granny Square Vest is a crochet design for the Valentine's Day. The author made it for within like 5 hours, and it also has the video included. Number 36. Valentine's treat bag. Fill them with a few candies, pencils, or other small gifts. and they're perfect for kids and grandkids to give their classmates at school as a Valentine. Number 37. Angel's Heart. This is very cute heart with the wings and easy to make. This one has a video tutorial included. Number 38. Rose. It's a great gift for your lover. You can make a bunch of the roses. It will be definitely a forever bloom memory. Number 39. Heart Valentine Socks. A fun and quick holiday themed socks or cute gift for someone you love. Number 40. Newest heart top. This tutorial just came out recently. I love the cute top with a small heart on it. It's easy and beginner friendly. I'm about to make this one for summer wear later. Number 41. Heart Granny Square. If you learn this smile heart granny square, you can do a lot of projects with it, such as cardigans, bags, or blanket. You will be feel surrounded by like the sweet love. And there you have it. It's my fantastic Valentine's Day crochet free pattern collection. I hope you join this journey through the world of the love-inspired yarn creations. Don't forget to check the video description for a link to all the free patterns we discussed today. Share the love by giving the videos a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting, everyone!